Minister in charge Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Ampreen Lyngdoh today informed the State Assembly that an organic society has been formed named Meghalaya'S Natural and Organic Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture to implement organic and natural farming initiatives in the state. She said this while replying to the questions raised by Leader of the Opposition and Congress Legislator for Milliam Constituency Ronnie V. Lyngdoh. The minister said that the Meghalaya State Organic Mission 2024-2028 has been formulated and launched on February 15, 2024 with the ambitious aim of converting and sustaining 1 lakh hectare of land under NPOP certified organic cultivation. She further informed that 6 service providers have been empaneled to facilitate certification processes and implement the mission.
Now proud as a state of Meghalaya to talk about the success story. Let me tell you the kind of things that these groups are doing. And today, we have even provided for this group, because of its high demand on certain produces of this over and above spices, also fruits now. We've also provided them with additional support of the waxing machine to increase the shelf life of their produce.